Student, today I am going to explain question number 9b of model question number 1. Find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a matrix A. A matrix is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3. Already we know that how to calculate the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Solution. For eigenvalues, what we have to do, we have to take the determinant of a minus lambda I, which is equal to 0. This is called as a characteristic polynomial or equation. A minus lambda I can be obtained by the use of this matrix, that is determinant of. Simply what we have to do, we have to delete lambda to the diagonal elements. 1 minus lambda, 4, 2, 3 minus lambda, which is equal to 0. To simplify this, I will use one shortcut method. For 2 rows and 2 columns, we have to take first lambda square plus sign, then afterwards minus, then afterwards trace. Trace is nothing but sum of diagonal element plus minus, again we have to take plus, then determinant of A, which is equal to 0. This gives the equation of this matrix directly, that is lambda square minus trace or sum of diagonal elements of A is, here diagonal elements are 1 and 3. Therefore sum will be 1 plus 3 into lambda plus determinant of A. We have to take the determinant of this one, which is equal to 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 into 4 is 8, which is equal to 0. Therefore characteristic equation is lambda square minus 4 lambda minus 5 equal to 0. From this we have to calculate the eigen values by the use of calculator. What we have to do, mode 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, equation is there, that is 1. Then we have to take degree, means degree is how much, 2, we have to take 2. A means lambda square coefficient, it is equal to 1. Next lambda coefficient is minus 4. Next C is minus 5. Next, therefore it is equal to lambda, roots are lambda is equal to 5 and lambda is equal to minus 1. These are the two roots, that is called as eigenvalues of the given matrix. Now for eigenvector, what we have to do, we have to take a matrix of, that is 1 a minus lambda I, that is 1 minus lambda, 4, 2, 3 minus lambda, it is multiplied with some unknown factor, that is vector x1 x2, which is equal to 0. I will take this is equation number 1. For this, first we have to put the lambda, that is for first we have to put lambda is equal to 5, then afterwards we have to put lambda is equal to 1 in this equation. If we put, that is for lambda is equal to 5, then our equation 1 will become 1 minus 5, 4, 2, 3 minus 5 into x1 x2, which is equal to 0, 0. Now we have to multiply, that is 1 minus 5 means minus 4, 4, 2 minus 2 into x1 x2 which is equal to 0 0, or this implies that is minus 4x1 plus 4x2 equal to 0, or 2x1 minus 2x2 equal to 0. You have to take any one of the equation. This implies that I will take first equation, minus 4x1, I will take that side, which is equal to minus 4x2, or x1 by x2 which is equal to 1 by 1. This implies that x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 1. Therefore first vector is, that is eigenvector is, I will take that is x1 which is equal to x1 x2, that is 1 and 1. This is your first eigenvector. Now for second, what we have to take, for lambda is equal to minus 1, then our equation 1 will become 1 minus into minus plus 1, minus into minus plus 1, 4 2 3 minus into minus plus 1 into x1 x2 which is equal to 0 0. Now we have to take, that is plus 1 is 2 4 2 4 into x1 x2 which is equal to 0 0, or it is nothing but 2x1 plus 4x2 equal to 0, or 2x1 plus 4x2 which is equal to 0. For two variable, either we have to take one first equation or second equation. From both you have to get the same values. That is, I will consider the first equation. From that 2x1 is equal to minus 4x2, or that is x1 by x2 which is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, that is 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, that is minus 2 by 1. This implies that x1 is equal to minus 2 and x2 is equal to 1. Therefore second eigenvector is, that is represented by capital X2 which is equal to, that is x1 x2, that is nothing but minus 2 1. Therefore eigenvectors are, that is x1 is equal to, what we got, x1 is equal to 1 1, and x2 capital X2 which is equal to minus 2 1. Okay, thank you.